Welcome to the official rule video for Righteous Rumble. To start, you're going to need a pack. A link to the game is below in the description. When starting, shuffle your deck before every game and set it to the far left. This is your deck. After placing your deck, draw 3 cards from the top. This is the beginning of your hand. At the end of each turn, you will replenish your hand to 3 cards. Before starting the game, all players go through their deck and select a character to be placed. There are 2 strategies when choosing a character. 1. Choose a character with high strength to attack. 2. Choose a character with high characteristics. This is your first character. If you ever at any point have 0 characters in play, you are out. The first 2 rounds are safe rounds. This means you cannot attack with characters, play cards against your opponents or anything that is interacting with your opponents. This player is able to play the Robe of Many Colors or the Apostle Paul, but since a player can play up to 2 cards, this player can choose to play both. Playing character cards. Playing character cards is vital in this game. If you only ever have 1 character in play, it's very easy for your opponents to knock you out. You can have up to 3 characters in play. Playing characters is very simple. Place the new character to the right of your original one. Now you have 2 characters in play. Playing cards on characters. Playing cards on characters is essential to the game. If you don't know if a card is able to be played on a character, look to the bottom left of the card to see if it cost anything. Every card that is playable on a character will cost either structure, royalty, spiritual, or writing. The Robe of Many Colors cost 1 of each. To be able to play a card on a character, your character must be able to support the card being played. For example, if you want to play the Robe of Many Colors, that character must be able to support it. King David can easily support it, but Goliath only has 6 structure and 1 royalty and doesn't have any spiritual or writing. So King David is the only option here. Place the card you are playing under the character you are playing it on. Before playing any card, check to see what card type it is. There are 5 different card types. Instant. A card type that says instant means that the card's ability takes effect immediately. You can't interrupt with an instant or wait to play. Interrupt. A card type that says interrupt means you can play that card at any time. On your opponent's turn, or on your turn. You can play it on your turn and it won't count as one of your 3 cards. An interrupt card ability takes effect instantly. Wait. A card type that says wait means you can wait to use its ability after playing it. So say you have a card that prevents a character card from being discarded, but you need to play it, you can play it and wait until a character is being discarded. Wait cards can be played as an interrupt, but it's no longer a wait ability. Reverse. A card type that says reverse plays like an interrupt but its main purpose is to reverse a card effect played against you. An example would be like, someone play a card to discard your last character and you play your reverse card to reverse it. Ability states what it can reverse. Choose. A card type that says choose plays like an instant. Choose cards have 2 abilities, you can choose one of them when played. You cannot use both abilities. Constant. A card type that says constant means that its ability stays active as long as that card is active. It's the same as an instant card, but the ability stays active during gameplay. Playing action area cards. Playing action area cards is another big part in Righteous Rumble. An action area card is a card with an ability, but does not have cost any characteristics. Action area cards are placed directly above the draw and discard pile. You can only ever have a max of 2 in play at one time. Action area card categories include events and location cards. Events can be discarded right after being placed, unless stated otherwise. Any other card must be in play for at least 1 round before being allowed to be discarded. Attacking with characters. Attacking with characters is another main part in Righteous Rumble. After playing all the cards you wanted to play, you have the choice to attack your opponent's characters. This is why you would choose characters like Goliath. Even though he has low characteristics, he has 1000 strength. If you choose to attack an opponent's character, first you must choose one of your characters to attack with. This player's highest strength character is King David, so if they chose to attack, they would pick him, then pick the opponent's character that they are attacking. Note, you cannot look at your opponent's characters in order to choose. Your opponent will tell you which characters they have and you pick off of that. Let's say that you pick Phineas. The character with the highest strength wins the battle. The loser is discarded. Ending the game. The game ends when 1. All players, except 1, are knocked out. 2. When one player's draw deck runs out, or 3. When the game time goes off. Timer is optional. Winning Righteous Rumble. There are 2 ways to win Righteous Rumble. 1. Attack your opponent's characters until you are the only player left in the game. 2. After the game ends, calculate your points gained throughout the game and gain 200 points for every character you have in play at the end. Player with the highest amount of points wins. Thank you for watching the official rule video for Righteous Rumble.
Sponsored by the Lion Hill Game Company.